Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation focuses on troubleshooting the DTC P0326 error, indicating a knock sensor malfunction in the 2023 Honda Accord model. The knock sensor is a critical component within the vehicle's engine management system, designed to detect engine knocking or pinging by monitoring vibration levels. When the knock sensor signal intensity falls below a specified threshold, the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, recognizes the issue, stores the DTC, and may adjust engine timing to protect the engine from damage. Understanding the role of the knock sensor and its importance in ensuring optimal engine performance is vital for any diagnosis and repair process. By thoroughly investigating the symptoms and following the troubleshooting steps, you can effectively address the fault, ensuring the vehicle operates smoothly and efficiently. DTC P0326 indicates a malfunction in the knock sensor, an essential component for monitoring engine vibrations. The knock sensor is located on the engine block and is responsible for detecting vibrations caused by engine knocking, which can lead to severe engine damage if not addressed. The PCM, or Powertrain Control Module, relies on the input from the knock sensor to determine the correct engine timing and fuel mixture. When the signal intensity from the knock sensor drops below a predefined value, the PCM identifies this as an abnormal condition, triggering the DTC. This problem can affect the engine's overall performance and fuel efficiency. Proper diagnosis and repair are critical to restore normal function and prevent potential engine damage. Several potential causes could trigger DTC P0326. The first possibility is a failed knock sensor itself, which may not provide accurate readings to the PCM, resulting in a malfunction. Another aspect to consider is incorrect installation. If the sensor is improperly fitted, it may not detect vibrations correctly. Additionally, wiring issues such as frayed or shorted wires can disrupt the signal sent to the PCM, causing the error code to appear. In some rare instances, a problem with the PCM can also lead to this DTC, though it's less common. Analyzing these components methodically helps pinpoint the exact cause and address it effectively. When DTC P0326 is present, several symptoms may manifest in the vehicle's performance. One prominent indication is engine knocking sounds, characterized by a pinging noise during acceleration. Drivers may also notice poor acceleration, where the vehicle struggles to gain speed. Decreased fuel efficiency is another symptom, as the engine management system may alter fuel delivery in response to the detected malfunction. Moreover, the check engine light will typically illuminate on the dashboard, serving as a warning that attention is needed. Recognizing these symptoms early can aid in prompt diagnosis and repair, ensuring optimal vehicle functioning. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P0326 involves starting the engine and holding it at 3,000 RPM without load, either in park or neutral. This is crucial for simulating operational conditions while providing necessary input to the PCM. The goal is to maintain this engine speed until the radiator fan activates, indicating that the engine has reached a temperature threshold where cooling is needed. Once the fan turns on, it signals that the system has stabilized. This step is significant for assessing whether the PCM can effectively interpret the knock sensor signal under varying engine conditions. Following this step accurately establishes a base for further diagnostic checks. Following the initial step, the second troubleshooting action requires the technician to hold the engine speed at 2,000 RPM or higher without load. This should continue for at least 5 seconds to provide a consistent operational parameter for diagnostics. This duration allows the engine management system to fully assess the NOx sensor's functionality under sustained conditions. It is crucial to confirm that the signal from the NOx sensor remains stable during this period. Any fluctuations or anomalies noted in this segment can provide further insights into the failure, guiding subsequent troubleshooting or repairs. Accurate execution of this step is essential to moving forward effectively. The third step involves a detailed inspection of the NOx sensor's installation. Proper installation is critical for optimal sensor performance, and the technician must ensure that the sensor is oriented correctly and securely fastened to the engine block. A misaligned or loosely installed sensor may not accurately detect engine vibrations, which directly contributes to the malfunction indicated by DTC P0326. By checking the tightness and alignment, the technician can eliminate installation errors as a possible cause for the failure. This careful examination helps determine whether the NOx sensor installation conforms to the manufacturer's specifications, which is foundational in troubleshooting processes. Correct installation is pivotal for achieving reliable performance from the NOx sensor. After addressing the issues associated with DTC P0326, the final repair verification is crucial for ensuring that the problem has been resolved effectively. The first action in this phase is to clear the trouble codes from the PCN to reset the system. Following this, it is essential to conduct a test drive of the vehicle under various conditions to confirm that the engine performs as expected without triggering the DTC again. Observing the functionality of the NOx sensor during the drive is key, as this component's performance impacts engine operation significantly. If the DTC remains absent and operation resumes normally, it indicates that the repair was successful. This final step is essential for ensuring long-term reliability and performance. Preventive maintenance is vital for ensuring that the NOx sensor and the engine work harmoniously. Regular inspections of the NOx sensor can help detect any deterioration or installation issues before they escalate into more significant problems. Equally important is monitoring the engine's overall performance. Being attentive to strange noises, reduced acceleration, or fuel efficiency changes can prompt early investigations. By addressing issues promptly, the risk of severe engine damage is significantly reduced. Routine maintenance checks, including verifying sensor condition and connections, equip vehicle owners with the means to maintain optimal performance and avoid costly repairs. Consistency in preventive measures ultimately extends the vehicle's lifespan. In conclusion, understanding the role of the NOx sensor is crucial for comprehending the implications of DTC P0326. Adhering to a structured troubleshooting process ensures that all potential issues are systematically addressed, minimizing the chance of overlooking critical components. It is essential to rely on diagnostic data and follow specific procedures to confirm that repairs are successful. After making any changes, validating the repair through practical testing solidifies confidence in the vehicle's reliability and performance. Continuous education and thorough diagnostics are paramount in modern vehicle repair, particularly with increasingly complex systems. Overall, a dedicated approach to troubleshooting and maintenance will sustain vehicle performance over the long term. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.